the jewel of the art. The Brennan University of Ibadan was founded in 1948, and today it has to its glamour 22 faculties, of which the prestigious Faculty of Art stand out among them. The Faculty of Art also has 11 departments, with Communication and Language Art being the heart of the faculty. The prestigious Communication and Language Art, only called CLE, came to existence with the name in the 80s. It was started with language arts in the 70s with the focus of advising first year students in method of study, research and the like. The vision and mission of this great department is to produce students with requisite knowledge and skill that makes them to stand out in the midst of others with outstanding and moral attitude to sustain the heights they ever wish to get to. The beauty of this communication and language art speaks so loud of the students that are produced out of this department year in, year out, and there are records to show for this. To the beauty and glamour of this great department, there are resource places such as the library, where students gather together to study and to make themselves different within the chosen career they have made up their mind to be. In the department, the ambience of the department is what is glorious, and it is what people would love to see. The department is painted in beautiful paints to speak loud of the quality of people, the quality of thinking of people within this department. The corridor is clean with flowers, and of course, within the department, we have the studio, the graphic studio, where students learn about design. Also, in the computer room, we have students who also learn the art of graphics, the art of designing within the computer facility. And of course, it has to glamour the broadcast studio that has somewhat gave birth to the bigger transmitting studio called Diamond FM 101.1 within the university. The distinction and uniqueness between CLE and other departments within the Faculty of Art are also basically in the quality of lecturers, non-teaching staff, people who are passionate, well-informed, seasoned, affectionate, and above all God-fearing. Those who have taken their time to impart knowledge into students. Those who have made up time to research into quality knowledge, and they are ready to give it out to students who are also ready to imbibe the culture of integrity, the culture of distinction, the culture of brilliance, the culture of making it in the midst of others. Those who are dogged to the time being, and those who are key to producing quality output within the society. Those who have made up their mind to be the best in what they do and what they like to do, particularly in broadcasting, journalism, advertising. Diamond FM is headed by one of these lecturers, Dr. Mrs. Anda, who has proven over time that the best thing should be left in the hands of those who know the quality. Since she emerged as the director of this studio, she has done so much in introducing initiatives, including the initiative called Bike for All. The initiative gave opportunity to everyone to ride bike within the university environment. Also, the content delivered by our lecturers has paved off in making the student icon in various and highly respected places, where students also meet with people of high caliber within and outside the university, taking recommendation and commendation of the school authority. The general office house administrative and dedicated people, competent non-teaching staff who faithfully and dedicatedly attend to students continuously. And also on the world lies the faithful, those who have served the department at one time or the other, great men of valor who have kept the good image of the department. Dr. Adesonye and also the likes. The highly competitive postgraduate session of the department has become envy of all. People trooping year in, year out to also learn in this postgraduate arm of the department, and it has become the survivor of the brilliance those who are indeed worthy in character and learning. And of course, the press board is where the students exhibit the character at which they've been involved into. They gather information, they disseminate information adequately. To this end, an interview was conducted to one of the lecturers who just became a doctor within the department, who has also proven to be faithful, and he said so much about the Communication and Language Arts department as a place to be, a department with distinction and excellence, no faith, setting and diligence for both lecturers and students.